And welcome back, everybody. Today we've got something new and a little bit different. And that is the Big Sky stubby aluminum front winch bumper from Rockslide Engineering. And I know what you're thinking. Matter of fact, put those thoughts down in that comment section below. An aluminum winch bumper? What are they thinking? Well, let me tell you. Underneath the aluminum fascia of this bumper is a fully welded steel subframe that the winch bolts to. So this is a multi-piece bumper. And there's some big advantages to that. Now, first off, we have a lighter weight bumper assembly. This Big Sky bumper assembly is lighter than most other winch bumpers on the market. Second, it's a multi-piece assembly. So you're gonna bolt in that steel subframe, then bolt your winch in, and then that aluminum fascia goes over the top. And that means this makes it really easy for you to do by yourself. You don't need to coax your friends over with pizza and beer to help you lift heavy winch bumper assemblies onto the front of your Jeep. Now there's some other things we like about this bumper. One is the position of the winch. It's nice and low. There's nothing in the way to block any airflow into your grill. Then they have these two large steel recovery points, and they're all tied into that steel subframe. And they're so heavy duty, so strong that you can even use them to flat tow your Jeep with if you get the optional flat tow brackets. Another thing we like is that they have provisions. They have 4-inch light pockets in the center of the bumper. So many stubby bumpers out there on the market, you just lose the option to relocate your fog lights or to add more off-road lights in the center of the bumper. And this Big Sky bumper, you can put in your factory fog lights or you can add in aftermarket fog lights up to 4 inches in diameter. And then this bumper is very modular. So right here we have a fully stripped down stubby front bumper. And this is the one I like the best. It's really nice, it's minimalistic, not a lot to it. And with the stubby bumper comes this architectural style center hoop. It bolts right into place and it has provisions for up to a 20-inch light bar. And then for those of you who need a wider bumper, they do offer their mid-width bumper, and that adds aluminum wings to both ends of the stubby bumper, giving you a wider width that will help with those road rules where you need a wider bumper from on the street. And then you can always pull them off to give you more clearance when it comes time for those off-road trips. And as a bonus, you get one more 4-inch light pocket on each side of the bumper. So you have a total of 4 lights on the front of this bumper if you go with the mid-width. Now, of course, the big advantages of aluminum is weight savings. And with the Big Sky bumper series, you have a nice lightweight bumper assembly. But there is a disadvantage, and I'm sure you can guess what it is. And for those of you who spend a lot of time on the big rock trails, the aluminum fascia is not going to hold up as well as a steel bumper will. But Rockslide Engineering has you covered. So if you like this bumper style, they do have the Appalachian series bumper that is pretty much the exact same bumper, but with a steel fascia. It has that low winch position. It has those light pockets. It has those steel recovery points that you can use to flat tow with. It is virtually the same bumper, but instead of aluminum fascia, it's a steel fascia. Now, of course, we've got them here at Northridge 4x4. If you'd like more information, hit those links below. And speaking of below, if you've got questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. I'll meet you down there. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.